Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with the Wise app. So as you can see here guys, I'm currently in the Wise app, right? The first thing that you want to do is ensure that you have the person that you want to pay to and you have the available currency that you either want to use to pay with or you want to pay to. So in my case, I have a bunch of currency here. And in case you are looking for currency that you want to pay to or pay with and you don't have it, you can easily go ahead and swipe to the right hand side, tap on the plus there, and you can choose a balance and you can choose a currency that you want. So I can go ahead and I can choose, for example, Australian dollar there. And as you can see, all you have to do is tap on that. It will be added and you can simply go ahead and click the X on the upper right hand side. If you scroll towards the right, you will see that you have it in the list as well. So that's how you go ahead and basically add a currency. Here's the Australian dollar. You can simply tap on add and you can go ahead and you can add the money to this current currency. Another way how you can do that is if you have money in one currency already, you can simply go ahead and you can tap on that currency and you can simply go ahead and do, for example, a transfer or a convert, right? So you can simply do convert and you can go ahead and you can choose that second currency. So let's say I want to choose this convert from check. I can do, for example, 200, right? And I want to convert it to the Australian. I can scroll here and I can choose Australian and I will see how much it will be equivalent into. And all I have to do is just simply press and continue and it will go ahead and it will proceed to do the convert for me. And that's how I'll have the money convert into one currency to the next. Now, once you do that, guys, in order to send money now, it's very easy. So again, if you want to add money to a particular currency, go ahead and ensure that you have the currency. You can add it. Then you can either go ahead and you can choose to add money to it or convert from one currency to the next. So if I want to add money, I can choose that option and I can choose to pay with a debit card, or I can choose, for example, my GPay, or I can even do a bank transfer or a credit card. So whichever option you want, you can go ahead and you can choose that, and you can go ahead and basically, add the money to your account. Now to pay, it's very easy. So let's say I want to pay using this particular account. There are a few ways how to go about doing that. All you have to do is go ahead and choose a send. So you want to go ahead and choose a particular currency and you can choose send. Now here you can either pay by simply choosing a recipient. So you can add a recipient if you want, or if you have recipients that you already added into your phone, you can scroll down and you can find those recipients as well. Another way how to find those recipients is on the bottom you have four options: home, cards, recipient, payments. Simple tap on recipients and you can choose a person, and once you choose that person, you'll be able to see your details and you can go ahead and you can tap on send, and you'll be able to add how much money you want to send that person and proceed. So it's very easy to do. Now another way is if you go to payments as well, guys, you can choose the option here as well. You can schedule transfer from here. You can go ahead and you can even tap on send or receive at the top there. It will take you back to the same section here where you can go ahead and you can either search for existing recipients. You can go ahead and you can type a name or a wise tag or an email address and even a phone number. You can go ahead and you can type as well. Or you can simply go ahead, if the person is new, you can simply tap on add a recipient and you can go ahead and you can choose the currency of the recipient. So let's say this person, I want to pay with, for example, the AED, right? I can choose that currency, select, for example, to enter their bank details or to search and wise, whichever option you want. So let's say I want to enter their bank details, I can tap on that and I can go ahead and I can either choose the option that says share a payment link, or I can even say someone else, and I can tap on that and I can fill in all their details here. Now, once you do that, guys, all you have to do is just go ahead and basically make the payment. So as I showed you before, I can select a person and I can simply choose how much money I want. Now, you want to go ahead and ensure that you have the right currency as well. So let's say I want to use this currency. I can see here that this currency have a particular amount here. Or if I want to switch the currency that I want to use to send from, I can go there and I can select that other currency. And as you can see, the amount also changes and I can choose how much I want. So I can say I want to select 200, tap on done, and you can see how much that person will receive in their current currency. So the process is pretty straightforward and pretty simple, guys. And that's it. It's very easy and very simple.